to show you how you can, in really no time at all, make a gift for someone if you've forgotten to get them a gift or you need an emergency gift. I'm going to use these coaster blanks that can be easily got hold of, and I will list everything that I've got in the description below. And believe me, this has been a lifesaver for me a few times when having to come up with a gift really quickly. So first thing I'm going to do is paint these coasters, but I still want some of this grain to come through. Use any colour paint that you want, and this is acrylic paint, and I've got a little sponge here that's wet, and I'm going to rub this on here like this until it's covered, then rub off the excess, and that'll give you a really nice finish, almost like a stain on that coaster, rather than having them just the white colour. There we go. And then I'll leave them to dry. So now these are dry, what I'm going to do is put a stencil on them, and I cut this stencil out on my Cricut. But if you haven't got a Cricut, then you could use any stencil that you've got. I just find this is the easiest way to do it. And they're of little dogs. And then I'm going to put that down, ready for the next stage. Again, these haven't taken long at all to make so far. And then what I'm going to do is make sure that this stencil is fully down everywhere. So I'm going to go around, put my finger around it all to ensure it's well adhered to this piece of wood with the paint on it. And then there's no bubbles anywhere. So now we've got those on there, what I'm going to do is use my T-Expert wood burning paste. And if you haven't got any of this, then you really do need to get hold of some. It's brilliant stuff, as you'll see in a minute. And I've found the easiest way to put this on is with using a brush like this gel. I take a bit out, put in my lid like that, and then I can brush a thin layer on like that, because you only need a thin layer. The thinner the layer, the better it works, because you don't get all that bubbling and also spitting and things like that. So now I'll let that dry. I'll finish off these and I'll show you what I do next. So now they're dry, all I need to do is take off the actual vinyl, and that should hopefully leave a nice crisp image behind. So now these are all ready and dry, and I've took them off. I've had my heat gun heating up for a little while, and I've got it on full. I'm not working directly on my mat because I don't want to burn my mat. So I'm working on a bit of wood now, and all you need to do is gently go around this, and then as you can see, that is burning in there really well, but it's not burning the blue colour that we've put down either, which is really important because I don't want it to burn that. And that's why it's important as well to ensure that you only put a thin layer on so it doesn't spit and bubble, and that way you can burn these in really well. And look how cute that is in comparison to the other ones. I think it really looks nice burnt in. But that's not all we're going to do to them. And again, this hasn't taken long. I've probably spent 20 minutes on these so far. So now I've burnt all those in and they're all ready. What I'm going to do is take my metallic pen and go around the edge of each one of these coasters. I think that just finishes off the coaster edge really nicely. Look at that. It really does lift it up, I think. There we go. Let that dry. I put a little bit of ribbon around these, and I've made a handmade just for you little heart that I'm also going to put on there like that. Do a little bow, and then you've got a great little gift. Literally took me about 25-30 minutes to make all 4 of those coasters. Wrap them up. I could wrap them up again and present them. Lovely, really great, simple little gift in case you get caught out. And personal as well. You could even personalise the back of them if you wanted to, doing something exactly the same, so they're reversible. Or you could put someone's name on the back, or anything that you wanted. But so easy to do, but gives a great finish. Hope you've enjoyed this quick project. Boot that like button, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the video that I've got coming up next on how to make great gifts as well. I think you'll love that video too. I look forward to seeing you over there. Take care, but most of all, enjoy your crafting. Bye.